Hey guys, Adam with Hennessey Performance here, and today we are out here showing you some of our 2026 Ford Hennessey lineup. Now whether you're looking for a track weapon or an off-road monster, even a toy hauler, we've got a little something for everybody, so let's dive into it. All right, starting off with the most venomous one of the bunch, the Super Venom Mustang. So this car here was designed for the guy that just wants to go fast and look great doing it at the same time. We did custom carbon fiber everywhere on this car with purpose. Everything is functional, everything is very intentional. You'll see the custom carbon front lip, the hood vent, the fender vents, the giant rear wing, the carbon fiber mirror caps, the side skirts, everything about it custom, bespoke. To fit in with only 91 ever being made, we want this thing to be special. In addition to the limited number being produced, the 2026 models are even more special because this is our 35th birthday. We started in 1991, and these vehicles being produced this year are going to be adorned with the Hennessey 35th anniversary badge, which you'll see here on the side. We also went to the interior and added a custom Hennessey leather and Alcantara suede upgrade to make sure the interior was just as great as the exterior. Now, as I mentioned, this is for the guy that wants to go fast as well. So we packed 850 horsepower under the hood of this monster and wrapped it up in a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. Next up on the hit list, the Venom 800 F-150. This thing here is for the road warrior that wants a phenomenally comfortable truck that looks amazing, that also has the capability to go out on the weekends and bomb off-road. We also include a 20-inch light bar in the center and 2 3-inch pod lights on either side. And it's not going to be a Hennessey vehicle unless it's as easy to use as it was from the factory, which is why we went through and integrated all of your factory sensors, your pre-collision assist, your adaptive cruise control, your parking sensors, everything still functions as normal. Moving up, you see our designed Hennessey bespoke carbon fiber grille. Now I mentioned it has to be able to perform well off-road too. So we went ahead and took care of the ground clearance for you, lifted it up, put it on 35-inch tires with custom 20-inch wheels. And with 800 horsepower under the hood, we also made sure to put some 6-piston Brembo brakes on there to slow you down just as quick. And as you walk past your illuminated carbon fiber fender vent, to open up that door and have the power folding side steps come out, you hop into yet again a custom Hennessey leather upgraded interior. To add to the aggressive look of the truck, we also added paint match fender flares. Now with the front of the truck looking as good as it does, we had to make sure that they like to watch you leave too. And of course it has to sound just as good as it looks, which is why we have added an upgraded stainless steel exhaust system to this as well. Now the cherry on top of all of it is going to be the Hennessey badging all the way around the truck. From the Hennessey logo on the grille to the Venom 800 supercharged on the door, and even the final touch on the tailgate right above that upgraded steel bumper, you've got it all. Now when I mentioned a toy hauler earlier, it doesn't get much better than this. The 2026 F-250 with 1,200 foot-pounds of torque, fitted with Hennessey upgrades from head to toe. Now following the Hennessey off-road theme, of course it needs to have upgraded steel front and rear bumpers, light bars, pod lights, amazing suspension, new wheels, and new tires. These trucks also get our carbon fiber treatment all the way from the hood, the fender flares, the mirror caps, your illuminated fender badge, even the tailgate has gotten treated as well. Now, as soon as you climb up onto your power fold-out side step, you are greeted with your custom Hennessey leather and Alcantara interior. Now, because certain regulations are in place, we are not able to modify the diesel engine under the hood. However, Ford made sure to take care of you by adding 1,200 foot-pounds of torque and 500 horsepower from the factory. The truck that hardly needs an introduction. The VelociRaptor 1000 is like the crazy uncle that you hope shows up to the party because it's over the top in every aspect you could imagine. Now, we've taken care of you with the off-road aspect on this, again, with the upgraded front and rear bumpers, the LED lights, the suspension overhaul, big wheels, big tires, big brakes. And you're gonna need it for the 1,000 horsepower that you've got packed under the hood, available under your right foot. Along with the other 2026 updates, we have also added a brand new bespoke designed off-road wheel that is available on all of our off-road products. You're not gonna forget that you're driving a Hennessey VelociRaptor 1000 because we have taken the factory Recaro seats and wrapped them in that new Hennessey leather. So if this is the crazy uncle that you hope shows up to the party, this is the younger sibling that never had kids, doesn't care about the back seat, but still wants sports car performance with a bed on the back. These trucks are so much fun. The way that you can go between obviously two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive. I have done the largest burnouts of my life in some of these things, but they launch like an absolute monster off the line in four-wheel drive with 800 horsepower under the hood. And you can still just cruise it on the road, hanging onto a custom carbon fiber steering wheel that looks great, it feels awesome, and the truck sounds amazing as well. With 8 piston Brembos up front, custom carbon fiber from front to back between the front lip, the grille, the fender vents, they look incredible. The VelociRaptor 500, the off-road toy. This thing is something that you can take out to the beach, take it off-road, take the roof off, take the doors off even if you want, pack the kids in the back, and it'll make the Jeeps jealous every time. With all of the off-road upgrades that you have come to know and love from Hennessey, the steel upgraded bumpers, the LED lights, the 500 horsepower under the hood, the 37-inch tires, it's got absolutely everything that you could want. The capability of these off-road is known only to those who have tried it. And we went even further, added more power, added more ground clearance, and made it even better. Don't forget, all of these vehicles also include a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty, even the crazy uncle in the back. So that is our 2026 Ford lineup, but we are always working on something special around here, so be sure to keep an eye out for more updates.